No tagging behind the scenes? JK.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I decided I wanted to film a decluttering my closet. I don't really know like what steps I'm gonna take. I just knew that there are some pieces in my closet that I wanted to throw out, and there are also some other pieces that I wanted to donate. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So guys, I actually went out and I bought some of these plastic hangers because the ones that I currently have on my clothes are just not the cutest. So that's also what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be switching out these old hangers with the cute hangers. This, I'm going to get rid of this one because I don't really like it anymore. I bought it and then I never even wore it, so that's gonna either be donation or I'm probably gonna sell it. This cardigan, I've owned it for like about 2 years, and I don't know if you guys can see, it's like getting so crusty, but for some reason I don't want to let go of it. Like, this is still like a piece that will forever, I think, be in my closet, whether it's crusty or not. I hope no one has like OCD that I'm not organizing these by color, because sorry. So all of this that I just took out is clothes that's either for the summer or some pieces that I just don't want anymore. Okay guys, so the stuff on top of here, you guys probably seen it and were cringing. That's me. So since I do have all of that mess, what I did is I went out and I purchased some of these little baskets to just put up there. And then I also bought this one. So since I'm a little impatient, I kind of can't wait to finish my closet. I'm gonna like be skipping through, so I'm gonna finish just that much, and then I'm going to work on the top, and then once I finish from right there to here, I'm going to do more of my clothes. So these are pillow covers. They're all washed. You're gonna be like, I know! It's like, how are they washed when you have it with stuff like this? Ooh, look at what I found. That's clean. Maybe I shouldn't throw this away. Should I keep it? I'm gonna keep it. Are you gonna work? You're right. Another thing is, I'm kind of like a hoarder because I would want to keep this and I'm never gonna use it. So I have to make sure that whatever I clean out of here, I don't ever put back in. Then I have like comforters, stuff like this, stuff that I don't even use. This, what is this? This bag. This is trash for sure. These pants. Size 17? This does not look like a 17. Oh no, sweetie. This is donations. I'll put this one in my donations pile. This. Whoa. Back when she was a little bigger, I would rock this. This is donations also. I'm not gonna throw away anything that is in like semi-decent condition. I'll just put that in the donations pile. I have clothes in here that I've worn since like 8th grade, so all of this as well is going to donation. Wow, this camera is just not focusing. What on earth? Wow, okay, finally got it to focus. So I just wanted to show you guys the current process of how everything is looking. So, where I have the camera. Oh, stupid tripod. So I've just done that amount, and then I cleaned out the top right there. That top up there, I don't know how I'm gonna get to there, but I'm gonna try. This other side still needs to get, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. Probably all donation as well. This is how my bed is looking so far. Yeah. That pile right there is all donations. This is summer clothes and like spring clothes that I need to put in hangers and then put on the left side of the closet. And then that's just a pile of hangers. So yeah, let's continue. So all of this is also going to donations. I'm done. This all donation. Like, I don't want any of this. And that was all in my closet. Decluttering to the max.
Time down.
Wow. I wonder what I'm gonna do with that up there. Should I just ignore it?
No. Ignore it for the video, maybe. But
I already told him.
oh, then you should do it.
Dang it! I can't leave them hanging, huh? You heard it here, guys. I can't leave you guys hanging. So here's, let me update you guys. I just have my codes, and then I finished putting these. I ran out of hangers, so I have to go buy some before I hang the rest of my stuff. I put the little baskets up there already. This one has my graduation stuff. This one has my pillow covers, and then that one just has like, I think like 2 little supplies in there. And then up there, like you guys heard, I am going to do that. I don't know how to get up there. I'm just gonna start pulling everything down. I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, these little plastic boxes, we're not gonna keep those up there anymore. To the other side. Oh, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. A shoebox, an empty shoebox. Another one of these containers with, I guess, oh, these are kind of like my memories. I'll keep this one up there. And that's about it. So now what I just have left is, oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. The thing that I just put back up there, which is like my memory box, I should put in one of these plastic bins. Sometimes I don't think. Okay. So this one was kind of empty. I just have this thing, which just has like the excess letters. So I'll put my memories in here. Okay guys, so I feel like that's pretty much it. I finished what I needed to finish. I got rid of all the stuff that was up there. I need to put a lot of the clothes in a separate bag for donation. Something that I was thinking about is that I have some pieces in here that maybe some of you guys would like. So I was thinking about maybe selling some on Poshmark. If any of you guys are interested, you can let me know in the comments down below. And if I see like any requests I'll just start posting some of my clothes on there for you guys. I will leave my Poshmark down below. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this closet tour cleaning with me. I know it was probably one of the most like unorganized cleaning closet tours, but that's just my life. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please make sure to give this video a like. Also, if you would like to subscribe, I would appreciate that. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.